Emakhosini. Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu ngiyathemba nonke niyaphila. Aze ngasho. Ngiphekwe idimoni uqobo la ngikhona. But ngizozama ukuba mfishane yazi. It's 2026. I know I've been absent for a while on social media. I've been going through a lot. Good and bad and in between and growing as always. Ukukhula nje kubalekile, ukujula kubalekile, ukuziqonda, ukuzazi, yonke into nje ehlangane nohambo lomntwana wedlozi kubalekile. So I was just undergoing a lot of that and gathering myself for unyaka omusha njengoba 2026 sisaphila sisancenga. Okay, nakla ngiyakhona. I'm gonna try and do like clips or whatever, but it's gonna be a mini series. Ngifuna sidikide kancane le ndaba yokuthi as abantwana bedlozi, abantwana bethongo, we are accustomed so much sizijwayezile toxicity from every angle, from every relationship within our lives that sesajwayele ukuthi ushide fanele subekezelele ngisho nganasidingo. Uyabo? Sesajwayele ukuthi even mesihlukumezeke emaphehlweni, it's a norm. Mesihlukumezeke ekhaya, it's a norm. Uyabo? Instead of understanding ukuthi uyazi it's okay ukuthanda abantu ngoba phela umntwana wedlozi, your whole being, everything that is you is connected to all the elements. It's connected to umoya, it's connected to the earth, it's connected to abanye abantu. Uyabo? Ubuntu ekujuleni kwawo. Uyabo? So you have to have this level of understanding and this level of patience and this level of forgiveness. Uyabo? But with also that, fanele ube ne spirit of discernment to understand ukuthi forgiving somebody and tolerating shit is not the same thing. Ukuba nomoya nomhawu noxolo akufani nokubezelela into ezokuyisa emuva kunokuthi kuyise phambili. Kubalekile ukuthi si understand kukho konke esikwenzayo ukuthi it's okay to understand that even emndenini siyahlukunyezwa, even emndenini sithathwa kancane, even emndenini sike siphathiswa kwezinja. Uyayibona le nto le, but ngoba siyabathanda and because we crave that love and acceptance from them, we go over and above ngisho kunganasidingo. Uyabo? And we accept the emotional, the mental abuse that ends up messing with us, even mesemaphehlweni. Uyabo? That feeds into the brokenness that even masusuhlukunyezwa, it's that level of understanding and the level yokubekezela isi-deep ngalendlela ukuthi ngisho noma kuthiwa usudlulisa ukushidi ongahlangene nokukhula kwakho edlozini, ongahlangene nokwakhiwa kwakho edlozini, uyancenga, uyabekezela. Uyabo? Sesakujwayela lokho instead of understanding ukuthi okay, there's a line to everything. Kukhona la fanele sihambe sime khona. Okay, usefikile ubabazi, so besiqhubele nkulumo. But I think it's things that we're going to have to discuss. It's things that we're going to have to dive into because yeah, I think a lot of mistakes amaphutha ayenzeka from the Gobela standpoint, from a Twasa standpoint, from umntwana ekhaya standpoint, because sesayijwayeza izinto unnecessary instead of actually being the generation that stops all of it. So that lokho fanele kukhule, lokho fanele ukuthi kuzinze kubuse, uyabo phezu kwakho ukwazi ukuthi kwenza lokho without the complications and without the nonsense that comes with into zasemhlabeni. Because once you become umntwana wedlozi, once you become umntwana wethongo, you no longer of this earth, but you still reside within this earth. Uyabo? So yes, you're gonna go through problems and trials and tribulations, but kunezinto that you have to extract yourself from so that you can properly grow, so you can properly connect nabantu abahamba nawe nabantu abakwembethe naledlozi liqhwakele, uyabo. You can properly do your job as umngoma, uyabo, without taking all that toxicity and spewing it and continuing the cycle that we've become so accustomed to. Kube kuhle kube mhlophe sobuye sixoxe, but this is just food for thought. Emakhosini.